Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to put the garden to bed. Oh, but we can't go to sleep now because we gotta get to the job. Come on. So guys, we're gonna be cutting the grass and the leaves at the same time. And when we get the leaf clippings and the leaves all in here, we're gonna dump them on our beds. Yep. Hi guys! So guys, now I'm going to take the grass clippings and the leaves and put it on the bed. This is how you take it off. First, you lift that up. Then, when you lift this up, it comes unlocked. Whoa! Oh, see how full this thing is? We didn't even do half of the yard. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Let's do a dumpy dump. And if you have to, you can just use your hands or a shovel. Or you can just dump it. Here we go. Now let's take that rake and this is fun. So I'm spreading the leaves out, then this will compost over the winter, then we'll mix it all in spring. And the bed will be all ready to plant. So guys, that's really all there is to it. If you want, you can put the fertilizer in first before you put all of these leaves and stuff and grass in. But we usually wait until spring. So yeah, that's kind of all it. So I'm gonna go back to bed. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. finished doing that stuff. I can subscribe. Bye. Oh,